Today we are going to be doing this beautiful quick hairstyle that will help you take your hairstyling skills to another level. If we are just meeting for the first time, my name is Chris Bex and welcome to the channel. I am a hairstylist in London and this is what I do. I share my video to inspire you, to help people like you. To make this video reach a lot of people, don't forget to like and comment down below.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you're slaving me, I love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now. I'll let you in the dark. I'm waiting in the dark, where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now, so give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you're slaving me, I love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. So take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you're slaving me, I love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now. I'll let you in the dark. You watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you're slaving me, I love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now. I'll let you in the dark. I'm waiting in the dark, where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now, so give it all.
If you've watched this video up to now, thank you so much for watching. You want to take styling a little bit further? Check our website. You see different tutorials that will help you do just that. From our beginners to media to advanced, everything is there for you to make you a better hairstylist. I can't wait to see you on the other side. Bye for now. If you've watched up to now, thank you so much for watching, and you want to take this a little bit further, you want to see all our learning resources in one place, check Hair by Chris Bex for more, and you will see different tutorials that will help you become a better hairstylist, step-by-step tutorial that will help you the hairstylist you want to be. Bye for now.